Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security. Then click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Following that, hit Next at the bottom right corner and select Start. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Lastly, select Done. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!